Hello. So we are back, and this time we have a customer job. What do we have here? We have a nice laptop. You know how nice it is? It's exactly the same model, if you remember, the one with that tricky fault with the main power supply, if you remember a few days ago. Anyway, the problem with this one is dead. Okay? Great. Let's plug the charger and try to figure it out. So, plug in the charger. Oh, that's not a charger. Wait, I have too much current here. The laptop is shorted. You can see the voltage is going down to 3.3, and you know what? This is strange because this laptop main power rail is not after the two MOSFETs. After the two MOSFETs, you have a power supply which is supplying the main power rail. So this it will be interesting to see what is shorted. The voltage gear dropped to 3.3. That means the short is not on the charging port. It's after the first two MOSFETs. But like how I said, after the first two MOSFETs, you have that power supply, which gave me a headache. You remember a few days ago. This is liquid. This is liquid. So check here. So those things, yeah, like drops, is liquid. But it's only here. That's what is strange. I mean, I cannot see on the board. I can see here, here, here. And yeah, I can clearly see, you see some sweet liquid which came from the back. I mean, that can explain why this laptop is not working. So what do we know about this laptop? We know the board is shorted. The main power rail, let's check the main power rail. Can you spot? Yeah, probably here is shorted. It is, yeah, 0 ohms. I mean, I can see that capacitor are like black. I mean, check there, check those capacitors. Oh lord, check there. Yeah. The EC chip looks fine. The EC chip looks fine. But here, everything is looking bad. Okay, let's clean quickly. I don't think we can clean with alcohol, but we can try. I think here has to be water. No, I cannot clean with alcohol. So this is alcohol, and we cannot get the board clean. Yeah, let me grab some water. Okay, so I got some water. Let's try with water. With water is a different story, right? Because the sugar is getting dissolved in water, but not in alcohol. You understand? Yeah, that's the reason why when you have sweet liquid on the motherboard, you should clean it with water. And that's something what I learned from my chat, because I didn't know that. I always try, with alcohol, and it was like a hard job. Yeah, but looks there, it's like new, you can see. Now, if we are drying the area, look that chip, you see, this chip, yeah, so this laptop is same like that one, but just the board is different. What do we have to do now? Now, we have to find the short. I mean, we clean it, but that didn't solve the problem. If we are plugging the charger, it's still short. You can see. So let's grab the thermal camera. Let's come with the power supply. Let's lower the voltage. So we need a ground from somewhere. Yeah, that's good. And we are coming with the current here. And here is 0, yeah, okay. And here is, yeah, here. Let's raise the current because the short is very short. 2.5 amps. And check that, yeah? I mean, you can clearly see it's the second capacitor. No, it's not the second. 1 second. It's the first one. Yeah, it's the first capacitor. Wow. Okay, let's remove that capacitor quickly. Oh, the capacitor goes inside of the laptop. Yeah, that's the one. So we remove the short. That means the laptop, it will work. That's actually a very good question, and I want to know also. Let's plug the charger. Let's raise the voltage to 19 volts. Yeah. Some current there. Plug in the charger. It's taking 20 milliamps, 10, 20 milliamps, which is fine. It's not charging, which is not fine. And nothing is dead, right? Let's press the power button. Load the battery. So pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on. 900 milliamps, check there. One amp. Let's wait because we reset the BIOS. I mean, we took out the battery. The battery just fell down. $500 milliamps. The fan is spinning. The CPU is warm. We have picture. I can't believe. Actually, the laptop is working. Enter restart. Now, my concern is why the laptop is not charging. Yeah, boot device not found, and that's fine. Okay, let's power off. The problem is why the battery is not charging. So the battery is plugged in. Plug in the charger. It's taking 20 milliamps, 50 milliamps, 80, 120. Okay, so the battery is just low. Haha. 120 milliamps. Okay, let's help the battery with the power supply. No, sorry, it's no point. 2.3 amps. You can see it's charging fine. And we have the charging light here. Everything is fine. 2.4 amps. You know what is strange for me? It's strange because, I mean, you are the manufacturer. Why the manufacturer didn't use something like that on the whole area? I mean, so you can protect against the liquid drops or water drops. The capacitor, no, we're not gonna replace the capacitor on this video. That's more complicated. Maybe on a different video. I mean, you know, there are how many capacitors? There are like 3 capacitors left. Yeah, you're right. All 3 capacitors are damaged, but that's the point. Yeah, I mean, that's rude. I mean, to do a job on a such a way, you don't want to see that customer anymore. That's rude. So we want to see the customers back. It's nice, you know, right? You know, if you do the job, if you do the job too good, you'll never see that customer, and you know, you'll feel sorry. I mean, why you should keep the people away from you? You know, you don't have some mental issues, so yeah, we want to see the customer back again. So one more time, plug in the charger. Of course, I'm just joking. You know what I mean. But no, that capacitor will be fine, yeah. Just one goes shorter than we clean with water. What can go wrong with electronics and water? I'm just joking. Yeah, all good, all good, all good. So I'll stop now. This was pretty simple job if you have this laptop. You see now where is the main power supply is there with that chip. And yeah, in a case of liquid damage, only there can be liquid damage because, you know, half of this is fine, but the other half is not that fine. Okay, just a short video. Just a short video. So I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. Bye.